Kubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Hagabaya David kijingkan no jong ba pala ya ke NPP. Kabala penya yo ba yo doyong na po gajela. Bat ba ke NPP la dawa kela daga Jingtohkit persya yo ba pala. Na kalyang jong ba Vincent ula krensyay ba Pdiang ngobha ya kanu kanu ga Jingtohkit. Namar ba ga jing shalan to yo doyong kalayat Naduh ship house na Mynshwa. Bat kajo yo drugs ru kalasdang Naduh ship house na Mynshwa. Habaya keren mat kilat pathai kubor mataksngi ar potrik unailur nakalyang ba palaw yathu pada dahap ban kit yo doyong na Megalia Shagati haban seo ya kador ka ba khandai pu 100,000 tingka bat amtang yo doyong henrei ladajia ba kibre ki haban dai ra igino gino ki maru kin haban seo ya ki bai khajana ban yo rung bat kini kilasdang Naduh ship house na Mynshwa. Shisho ba pala ula ongru ba ukershan ki jingmut jong Dr. Mukul sangma badai bandon ke Jingtohkit. Henry lada ka donru kadai bandon Naduh ki por ship house na Mynshwa la benrap uba Vincent.
I will welcome any investigations. Let me tell you, the illegal coal starts for the last 10 years. The illegal transportation of coal is for the last 10 years. Drugs, more than 10 years. Anything, for example, today, if you carry chicken from Kwah to Shillong, you have to pay 20 or 30,000 per pickup. It came in the social media, it came in the news. If you have to carry coal from Janda to Kwah, you have to pay 96,000. It is there in the social media, it is there in the thing. If you have to carry limestone from Janda to Kwah, you have to pay 20,000. It's there in it is in record. If you have to carry sand, if you carry anything, you have to make an entry. So everything needs an entry, and this entry starts for the last 10 years. So I fully support Mukul's idea that we should have an investigations, and investigations should be at least for the last 10 years. I want you to learn. I want you to see the interview of Dr. Sandi CM. Kindly have a look at the interview of Dr. Sandi CM. Before I give a thing on drugs, I also see this. So you kindly look. It is there on the YouTube. See what Dr. Sandi CM said. 1 in 3. Every third adolescent in drugs addicts in Meghalaya is the highest in India. Is the highest in India. Sorry, in Meghalaya. Every third adolescent is addicts in Meghalaya. You see, Dr. Sandi Same, he runs an organization, he runs a rehab center, he knows better than you and me. So when I gave this, I saw him. When I gave this, I met personally quite a few of the officers who deals with drugs. When I gave this, so I think the government may say may abuse, but what the government has done, tell me HYC can arrest drug peddlers, but the government has not been able to do. How they confronted them, that is the government. Thank you.